Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Mazda CX-5 cabin air filter. First, gather your tools: a new cabin air filter, and for some models, a small Phillips head screwdriver. This simple maintenance task is crucial for breathing clean air inside your car and can save you money compared to dealership service. It's a quick and easy process that significantly improves your vehicle's interior environment. To begin, open your passenger side glove box and carefully remove everything inside. Next, find the small damper arm on the right side of the glove box and detach it from its mounting peg. Now, gently push in on both sides of the glove box to clear the plastic stops, allowing it to swing down completely. This reveals the cabin air filter housing behind it. Once the glove box is out of the way, you'll see a rectangular plastic cover, typically 6 to 8 inches wide, which is the filter housing. Gently lift the release tab on the bottom edge of this cover and slide the filter tray straight out. Take a moment to observe the airflow arrow on your old filter. This is important for correctly installing the new one. Dispose of the dirty filter properly. Now, place your new cabin air filter into the tray, making sure the airflow arrow points downwards, towards the floor. Slide the tray back into the housing until you hear or feel it click into place. Reattach the glove box by aligning its hinges and pushing it back up, then reconnect the damper arm. Finally, replace the contents of your glove box. You've successfully changed your cabin air filter. For more great deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.